Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Heartbeat, written by Khalid Hassan. When I wake up, I discovered myself in the tree. I am crying. The tree stalks are visible on my head. There is no sunlight. Cannot find any eye fatigue. Then I realized there was a problem somewhere. Generally, chat lounge. Even though there was no fatigue in my eyes, I was getting tired in my body. I cannot feel my body. I feel that my whole body has been exhausted for operation. I tried to get up, I could not. That means I am in a jungle. A few problems appear together. The things that are like this. I am in the jungle over what is going to be a night out. I have no problem with how I got here. The biggest question is, who am I? I don't know the answer. When I saw so many problems together, it seems again and again. Maybe I was no longer alive. But then some more questions came to the fore. If I were to die, then I would not have to be here. My soul would have been on one another and body would be in the grave. So I am alive or really dead. No more standing up. The evening came down. I didn't see the darkness. I thought I could see the night more clearly than the day. I started walking. I walked 1 foot in 2. But it will take a long time to reach anywhere because the turtle's pace seems to be higher than my walking speed. Yet I began to walk. I could cross the jungle to the locality and someone would see me. I could at least be sure I was alive or dead. I cannot stand straight. I cannot even walk straight. I am walking in the head. The body is in turmoil. At one point, I saw the shirt on the shirt and the shirt was wet. I smelled the wet shirt of my cow with my nose. I know this smell is very familiar. The smell of blood. But why the blood on the shirt? I found the answer to the question shortly after. With a big hole in my neck or on the side of the neck. Blood slowly soaked the shirt in the book. That means the blood is my own. No, I could not. Looks like the brain is brand new. He has no previous record. No more pressure on the brain. What will be the gain of the past? Let's see what happens next. General, no, there is no fatigue in the body. Although the body has become very slow, I continue to walk. There is not much walking. Once again I started to walk along the river. After a while I saw someone sitting on the bank of the river. Who is she? I went to her. He approached the man and looked at me. I was scared to look at you. No, it would be wrong to say that. He has no eyes. It looks like someone has lifted both eyes out of the corner of the eyes. Just a little while ago, just looking at me, the blue glows of his eyes. After 2 legs, I came back scared. I became even more terrified when he approached me. This time she looked at me and I looked at her. I was convinced by now that she is a girl. She has big hair like a girl behind her, and the eyes didn't seem to be lifted. They seem to be from a distance. The teeth are black. Even a foul odor is coming from me. I must have been caught by a demon in the jungle. But I could not run despite my desire. The girl came closer and started to smell my cunt. I was frozen. Even a little later, the monster would bite into my body, just waiting. After a while, I realized that the girl was licking my wet shirt. Blood is chewing. Looking at his face, I saw blood. Laughing face. She got cut off. It's not a girl, it is a pitch, but I have nothing to do. The girl asked in my ear, "What's the name?" I looked like a dude. I wanted to say something but couldn't. For a moment, I felt like I didn't have a vocal cord. And tell me what? I don't remember the name. The girl asked for a while, looking again. Don't remember anything? He started laughing at the question. He laughed again and said, "First of all, it happens, then all goes well. Okay, but come with me now. No need to say anything." The girl began to walk. It seemed like she was walking on the same road as me. Is he like me? The question arose in my mind, but I could not say. I also started to follow him. Where is Janina going? But let's see what happens. But I still cannot say no to the body. I cannot laugh. I could see a few more in front of him. A kind of blue glows was coming from their eyes in the dark. Are they like this girl? The girl approached them and said something. Then anyone came towards me. My body began to look cramped. Someone bit into my body to eat blood. I didn't feel any pain at all, but I was disappointed. All the blood in my body was gone before. A male man asked in my ear, "How long ago?" I was surprised to hear the question. The guy got angry and said again, "There is nothing to be ashamed of, brother. How did you die?" I am surprised. What does my body do here when I die? Spirit or what here? The man said again, "See, you can talk only with a little effort. First, it is a little hard and then all is normal." Listen to the man raised many questions, but I could not speak. I thought maybe I was hungry, so I could not speak out of my mouth. Maybe I can get a ball in my body. Without thinking of it, a fruit tree appeared there. I found a lot of fruit under the tree, and I picked up a fruit and started to eat. But I failed. Everyone was laughing. An old man approached me, said, "I understand your pain, brother. You are so hungry, but this hunger will never be satisfied." I listened to him and looked up. Blood will be needed. Fresh blood. I got scared. I fell on the pitch. They are thinking of me now. Of course, because without thinking of the night in the jungle, no one will walk like this. But I didn't believe them. They became very angry. Suddenly the girl came forward and said, "You are just like us, and blood is the means of survival of living corpuscles. So accept it quickly and start looking for blood. The more time you waste, the hunger will increase." The corpse of the living. The world began to spin around. But why would it happen to me? How or why? I do not believe. I am being misunderstood. They are all pitchers, and he wants to make me a pitcher. I should run and run. I went back to running, but I fell. My body is useless. Said, "What? Cannot believe you are still a dead body? Then it will be believed." The girl said the words and took my right hand and placed it on her chest. I didn't feel his heartbeat. It seemed normal. It's normal to not have a heartbeat for a pitcher. But she gently placed her hand on my chest or side. I was surprised. There is no vibration in my heart. I was scared. I cannot happen at all. I don't want to be a dead body. After crying, my sleep was broken. When I woke up, I discovered myself under the tree. My heartbeat is moving very fast. I was terrified. At last, it felt good to be alive. I was dreaming then. Heartbeat is in progress. Even my own name is remembered slowly. I remember the past. I was in the car road through the jungle. I was driving through that road. I was shocked when suddenly a jungle animal came in front of the car. I lost control of the car and lost control of the car. I don't know what happened then, but now I understand. I got rid of the car here and I was unconscious here. As soon as I got up, I saw my car lying downside down under the tree. What will happen now? But I was even more scared when I heard the sound of something behind. It was approaching night. It would not be right to be in the jungle now. The noise came from the back again. From what I saw, all the organs of the body began to disappear. She looks in the vein of my throat. Upon seeing your face, I realized that she is very hungry. So, went out in search of blood. That living body, she want fresh blood to stay, or it will be off shortly. Let me know how you feel.